Hi, so I am going to teach you how to transfer a phone call here at the Franciscan University switchboard desk. So first, you'll want to call Franciscan University switchboard, which is 740-283-3771, which I'll call right now. And the phone here will ring, and then you'll answer it, Franciscan University. And once you listen to what the person has to say and ask where they want to be transferred, you see it says transfer on the phone right here, and you'll click that transfer button and then type in the extension code, which for security it's 6333. So I would type in 6333, but I'm not going to do it since this is just for educational purposes. But yeah, so that is how you transfer a call from the switchboard desk. And once you type in the transfer code, you can hang up the phone and it'll send that caller there right away. Thank you.